Beach Villa Staycation sa Batangas? Tara, let's go! Welcome to Tana Beach Villas na located sa Lian, Batangas. 2.5 hours away from Metro Manila. Ganito yung itsura ng aming villa. May spacious na living room, may magandang toilet and shower, at may bedroom na may 2 double beds na perfect for 4. Meron silang 9 na villas at isang suite. May in-house restaurant na 13 ang pangalan. Nagsaserve sila dito ng all-day dining na may Filipino dishes at iba pa. Bonus, sobrang ganda ng view dito. Dahil katapat ito ng beach na napaka-private. Kung gusto ninyo ng water activities, pwede din kayo mag-book dito. Kung gusto ninyo mag-swimming lang sa pool, may magandang infinity pool sila na perfect for morning and sunset swimming. Pwede rin maglaro ng volleyball at may malawak na parking area para sa mga guests. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng maganda at tahimik na escape from Metro Manila, make sure to check out Tana Beach Villas. Makikita nyo sila both sa Klook and Agoda at huwag kakalimutan gamitin ang codes namin para maka-discount. For more food and travel recommendations, make sure to follow us. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, bye-bye!